Good morning students. So yesterday we have learnt about the triangle formulas based upon trigonometry. So today we will do some questions based upon that. So let's start. So our topic is trigonometry. So let's start students. First today's question is, if sine A equals to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Okay, so let's see the solution now. So what I have said yesterday, first you have to see what's given in question. So here it's given sin A equals to 3 by 4. So already we have learnt yesterday how to solve these problems. So first of all, we will draw a triangle. This is a triangle A, B and C. So you can see here what it's given in question. First you have to write the given. Given sin A equals to 3 by 4. So I have said you have to look the angle. First let's write the formula side. Sin theta equals to P by H. This is our formula. We already know that. So how to use it? So and here angle is given A. So A. So yesterday I said here what's the angle given in question? A is given. So opposite side to angle A is the perpendicular. So opposite side to angle A is BC. So this will be our perpendicular. This is the hypotenuse and this is the base. Okay. Next what we have to do? Now we have to write 3 by 4. So P by H. So P is 3 and base is 4. Okay. So, okay. Now you see here, you have to write here first. Sin A equals to P, perpendicular is BC, BC by hypotenuse is AC. Okay, equals to 3 by 4. Completed. Now yesterday I have said you have to first look at the triangle. What is missing here? So here perpendicular is there 3 and base is there 4. So we have to find the hypotenuse. So yesterday we learnt one formula from Pythagoras theorem. What? H square equals to P square plus B square. That implies H equals to root P square plus B square. Square came this side, so it became root. That implies H is which side? AC. So AC equals to perpendicular is BC, BC square plus base is AB, AB square root. Okay. So equals to BC. How much is BC? 3. So 3 square plus AB. AB is 4. 4 square root equals to, here we can write 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16 root. So 9 plus 16 came 25 and 25 root is 5. Yes. So therefore what we have find out here? AC. Hypotenuse is our AC. So AC equals to 5. AC equals to 5. So here hypotenuse is our AC, that means 5 cm. cm. Okay, over. So next, so we have already found out triangle is complete now. Hypotenuse is 5 cm, perpendicular is 3 cm, and our base is 4 cm. So no problem of triangle now. Now let's go to next part. What it's given? Calculate cos A and tan A. What we have to write? Cos A equals to question mark, because cos A is asking here. We have to find cos A. So here now we need cos theta formula. Cos theta equals to B by H. We already know cos theta equal to B by H. So here angle A, cos A. So now you see cos A equals to B by H. Same angle is same. So everything will be same. A opposite side is BC perpendicular. This is the base, this is the hypotenuse. Just we have to write what is the base? AB. So AB by hypotenuse is our AC. AC equals to, we have to find AB is 4 by AC is 5 cm. So cos A equals to 4 by 5 over. Now tan A. So tan A formula, we have one direct formula on tan, that is tan theta equals to perpendicular by base. Tan theta equals to P by B. Here, which is the perpendicular? BC. BC by base. Base is our AB equals to BC is 3 by AB is 4. 3 by 4. Okay. Now, here we will write another one, sin A. Here it's given sin A is 3 by 4. So, for finding tan A, from tan theta formula, direct we have written P by B equals to 3 by 4. Again one method is there. I have already said about tan theta. That tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. Okay. So tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. Then what will happen here? Tan A equals to, here angle A is given. So it will be also sin A by cos A. We have to look at the angle, what it's given. You have to write those same. If theta is given, then sin theta by cos theta. But here tan A is given, so sin A by cos A. We have to focus on the angles. So what is sin A? Sin A is given 3 by 4, no doubt. It's 3 by 4 by cos A. Cos A came 4 by 5. So here 4 by 5. So equals to 3 by 4 into 4 by 5 into 5 by 4. So what it came? Tan A is sin A by cos A. Sin A is 3 by 4 by cos A is 4 by 5. So let's do this. No problem. So okay, tan A sin A 3 by 4 and our cos A is 4 by 5. So no problem. For triangle, we have brought tan A equal to 3 by 4. Sin A is 3 by 4 and cos A is 4 by 5. Next, move to next question. So from direct formula tan theta we can find. So no need of tan A equals to sin A by cos A. You can do it normal form. Again. Next we have question. Second one. Given 15 cot theta equals to 8. So we have to find sin A and sec A. See here, given 15 cot theta equal to 8, find sin A and sec A. How we will find solution? First write, in maths first we have to write what is given in the question. So given 15 cot theta equals to 8. So what will be the cot theta? 8 by 15. So then we have to draw the triangle to know the sides A, B and C. So here cot theta. What is cot theta formula? Cot theta equal to B by P. We already know this formula. Okay. Then here theta is the angle here. So cot theta equals to base 8 and perpendicular is 15. Right? Base is the 8 cm and perpendicular is 15 cm. So here we have to find hypotenuse. Perpendicular is given and base is also given. So we have to find hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse side? AC. So first we have to write the formula. H square equals to P square plus B square. That implies H equals to root over of P square plus B square. So hypotenuse side is AC. AC equals to root. Perpendicular side is BC. BC square plus base is our AB. AB square. That implies AC equals to BC. BC is 15. 15 square plus AB is our 8. 8 square root 15 square 225. 225 plus 8 square is 64 root. So it will come 549 268 2. 289 root 289 root over is 17. So 17 cm. So which is our hypotenuse side? AC. So therefore AC equals to 17 cm. Over. We have found out the hypotenuse side. Now it's time to find sin A. So here first we will write hypotenuse is 17 cm. Over. So here we have to see sin A. So now we need sin A. Okay, question mark. So what is the formula of sin theta? Sin theta equals to P by H. So here Sine angle A is given. Sine A equals to A. Our angle is A. So opposite side of angle A is BC. So same perpendicular. This is hypotenuse. This is base. No problem about that. Now we have to see sine A equal to perpendicular means BC. BC by hypotenuse is our AC. AC equals to BC is our 15 cm. 15 by AC is 17. 15 by 17. So sine A equals to 15 by 17. Next move to sec A. Sec A equals to, here write sec theta formula. Cos theta equals to B by H. So sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So sec theta will be H by B. We have already learnt in the previous class. So sec theta equal to H. H means hypotenuse AC by base is our AB. So SC by AB. SC is 17 by AB is our 8. 17 by 8 over. Sin A is 15 by 17. Again sec A is 17 by 8. Now next move to next question. Next question is given sec theta equals to 13 by 12. So we have to calculate all trigonometric ratios. So here our question is given sec theta. Only is given sec theta equal to 13 by 12. You have to calculate all the trigonometric ratios. That means all the 6 angles are there with us. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosec theta. These are remaining now. So from sec theta you have to find out all those ratios. So let's see how we will find solution. So first our work is to draw the triangle. So here first we will draw a triangle. To know the sides A, B and C. So what's our question given? Right here. Given sec theta equals to 13 by 12. Right? So here you write sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So it will become H by P. We already learnt in the previous class. So which is the hypotenuse? This is the hypotenuse. Okay. This is angle theta. So this will be the perpendicular and this will be the base. So here our hypotenuse is 13 cm. 13 cm and base is 12 cm. So here we can see our hypotenuse is there, base is also there. So perpendicular is missing here. So how we can do that? Here first write sec theta equals to hypotenuse means AC by base means AB equals to 13 by 12. Now first we have to complete the triangle. Here perpendicular part is missing. So what is our formula? H square equals to P square plus D square root over equals to P. That implies what we have to find here. 1 minute. Here perpendicular is missing. So first write h square equals to p square plus b square. Next we have hypotenuse and base. So we have to find perpendicular. So perpendicular p square equals to b square will go this side. Then it will become h square minus b square. Right? Base b square is in positive side. So I have taken it to left hand side. So it became negative sign. So p square equal to h square minus b square. Next, what will be the p? P equals to square will come this side. So it will become root over of h square minus b square. So how much is hypotenuse? 13 square minus how much is base? 12 square. So it will, we already know 13 square is 169. 169 minus 12 square is 144 root. So 169 minus 144 is 25 and 25 root is 5 means, so here we will write 5. So hypotenuse is AC. So therefore AC equals to 5. What we brought here? Perpendicular. Perpendicular is our BC, not AC. So perpendicular is our BC. Therefore BC equals to 5 cm. So here we will write 5 cm. Over. Next, completed triangle. Next we will go to quotient. So over. So now we will find the angles. First angle is our sin theta. What is the formula of sin theta? P by h. So we already know three sides: perpendicular side, hypotenuse side and base side. So first of all perpendicular. Perpendicular is what? BC. You have to write BC by hypotenuse is our AC. AC. So how much is BC? 5. So 5 by AC is 13. So sin theta 5 equal to 5 by 13. Next is our cos theta. How much is cos theta? B by h. Base is our AB by hypotenuse is our AC. So AB is 12 by AC is 13. So cos theta is 12 by 13. Next, sin theta, cos theta. Then tan theta. Tan theta equals to P by B. So here you can see perpendicular is our BC by base is AB equals to BC is 5 by AB is 12. 5 by 12. Here you can also prove, see here again, tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. So sin theta is 5 by 13 and cos theta is 12 by 13. So it will become 5 by 13 into 13 by 12. So it will cut, then it will come 5 by 12. So two methods are there. So from this you can find same. So no problem. In one method we can find. Over. Next, let's see tan theta over. Now cot theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta means B by P. So it will become base is our AB by perpendicular is BC. So 12 by 5 cot theta. Now only one angle remained, it is cosec theta. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, h by p. It means AC by BC equals to 13 by 5 over. We calculated every ratios. See, here question is given sec theta. So first we have drawn sec theta means h by b. Then we brought perpendicular. After that, after completing the triangle, we brought all trigonometric ratios over. Clear? Next move to next question. See, our next question is, if cot theta equals to 7 by 8, if cot theta equal to 7 by 8, then we have to calculate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Or this we have to calculate. Okay, no problem. Let's see. Calculate or evaluate this. Okay, let's see what's given in the question. Solution. First we have to write given. What is given in the question? Cot theta equals to 7 by 8. So our duty is first to draw the triangle. Here you draw one triangle. What is cot theta formula? Cot theta equals to B by P, right? Here is angle A, here is B, and here is C. So this is the perpendicular, this is the hypotenuse, and this is the base. So base is the 7 cm and perpendicular is 8 cm. So here you can see, first you have to write cot theta. Here is angle theta. So what I said, you first you have to look at the angle. Here theta is given as the angle. So opposite side to angle theta is BC. So this is the perpendicular, this is the slope or hypotenuse, and this is the base. No doubt of triangle. So see, cot theta equals to B by P now. So B means base. Which is the base? AB by perpendicular is our BC equals to 7 by 8 over. Now we have to look at the triangle now, which is missing. Here perpendicular is given 8 cm and base is given 7 cm. So we have to find out the hypotenuse. See. So h square equals to p square plus b square. So we have to find hypotenuse, no problem. So h equals to root p square plus b square. Which is the hypotenuse side? AC. AC equals to perpendicular means BC square. So BC square plus base is our AB. AB square root. So BC is given how much? 8. 8 square plus AB is 7. 7 square root. So it will become 8 square is 64 plus 7 square is 49. So 9 plus 4 13, 6 4 10 1 11. So root 113. Don't think that root 113 has no roots, so it can be like that. No worry of that. So here what we brought? AC. Therefore AC equals to root 113. Came root 113. Yes. Okay. Now here we will write root 113. Next, over about triangle we got perpendicular, hypotenuse and base. Next, what we have to find now? Let's see. See, in the question it's given sin theta and cos theta, right? Question is based on sin theta and cos theta. That means we have to know the values of sin theta and cos theta. So what it will happen? First we have to find out sin theta. So what is sin theta? Sin theta equals to P by H. So what is the perpendicular? BC. This is the perpendicular by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is our AC. So BC is our 8 by AC is root 113. Yes, over. Now next move to cos theta. Cos theta is our B by H. So base is our AB. AB by hypotenuse is our AC. AC equals to, then AB is our 7 by AC is our root 113. Over. So sin theta came 8 by root 113 and cos theta came 7 by root 113. Here we will note that sin theta equals to 8 by root 113 and cos theta came 7 by root 113. So in notes you can note in the side. Okay. So I will erase it. Next, see what we will do. So we got the values of sin theta, cos theta. Now it's time to evaluate that. So how we will evaluate? What is given? Question 1 plus sin theta. So let's write 1 plus sin theta. How much sin theta came? 8 by root 113. So here you have to write 8 by root 113 over. Next, 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus 8 by root 113, because sin theta equal to 8 by root 113. So instead of sin theta we have to put the value 8 by root 113 by 1 plus cos theta. How much is cos theta? 7 by root 113 into 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus 7 by root 113 over. So now do here equals to, it will happen, we have to do LCM first. So here it will be root 113. Here nothing is there, you can put 1 here, 1. So root 113 into 1, LCM is root 113. Now in up it will be root 113 plus 8. Similarly it will become LCM root 113 same, then it will become root 113 minus 8 divided by, here LCM is same, root 113 and here root 113 plus 7 into LCM is same, root 113. So here root 113 minus 7 over. Clear. Next, I will erase this one. We will do next part, next step we have to do. So I have to erase this. So see, next step. Next step is, see, here we will open the bracket. So root 113, root 113. So if we will do, then it will become root 113 square. So root, see, here LCM will be what? Root 113 square now. So root and square both will cancel. So our LCM will become 113. Here you can see 2 root 113 are there. So that's why root 113 square. So root and square cancelled. So our answer is 113. So here you will write equals to 113. So here what will happen? Root over 113 plus 8 into root over 113 minus 8, okay, divided by root 113 plus 7 into root 113 minus 7. So here you can see same root 113 into root 113, root 113 square. So it will become 113, okay. Next, move to next. So what is the next? Equals to, see, root 113 plus 8 into root 113 minus 8. So here it will become root 1, see, here you can find root 1, let you take 113 is the A and 8 is the B. So here you see A plus B into A minus B. So what is the formula? Our formula is A square minus B square. Here you note the formula. A square minus B square equals to A plus B into A minus B. So here you see, here A plus B and into A minus B. So here it's already given A plus B into A minus B. So what is the formula? A square minus B square. So what is our A? Root 113 is the A. Right? Or, so A square minus A plus B, 8. See here A is root 113 and B is 8. A plus B into A minus B, right? So A square minus B square by 113 divided by same, sorry about that, A plus B into A minus B, A square minus, but here you can see there B is 8, here B is 7. So A square minus B square by 113 over. Next. So see now, next, what will be? Root and square will cancel, so it will become 113 minus 64 by 113 divided by 113 minus 49 by 113, okay. So what it will be? 113, 64, 9, 49. 49 by 113 divided by 113 minus 49, 64. 64 by 113. So it will become 49 by 113 into 113 by 64. 113 cancelled. So it will become 49 by 64. So answer is our 49 by 64. So 49 and 64 is not there in, so let's write that. therefore 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta equals to 49 by 64. Solve for today. Let's go.